guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's spread is going to be from Monday the 26th of March through Sunday April 1st, okay? And so let me show you what we're going to be doing. I'm so glad that everybody loved my Batman and Robin theme, and I had a viewer suggest that I do Wonder Woman. So I said sure, I would love to. So here I'm going to do a classic Wonder Woman spread. So I picked out these colors. You saw these in my haul from Michaels, but I love the gold and I love that deep blue and then that beautiful red. And then I made my own stickers. And then I'm going to use one of these, maybe both of these washies, but I'm leaning towards this one. And you saw these in the haul too. And I'm going to use one of these pins, and both of them came from Dollar Tree. So let me take my paper out of my planner. And I really enjoyed the Batman theme. Okay, let's cut our paper. And I've decided that I want this gold to go down the side here. So I got it just for that. Okay, let's put our paper down. I think this is going to be really cute. Let's see, I think I want it like this on this side. Oh, I think it's going to be adorable. Okay, so let's put our paper down. Let's glue it down. Oh, that's going to look so pretty, just like her costume. And this glitter doesn't come off with this paper, which I'm glad. Oh, I think that's going to be really cute. That is exactly what I wanted. Okay, let's start to put our washi down. I'm thinking I'm going to use this. So let's start with this. Oh, I do love that. I thought this washi looked a lot like where she comes from. Everything's so expensive. So I thought it would fit nicely. I do like that. Oh, I love how that looks. Now I wonder if I want to put anything down through here. I think I may take this and just put, because this really reminds me of, like I said, where she comes from. And they're so advanced and they have all that beautiful stuff. And I think this will be really pretty. Oh, I love it. I really love how this is turning out. Okay, and then I made my own stickers, but I ran out of sticker paper, so I just printed this just on some cardstock, and I'm going to put it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on this. But that sticker paper, I usually get it at Office Max, and it lasts a long time. Okay, let's see where we want to put her. I think I want to put her down here, about like this. Okay, and then I just made a Wonder Woman sticker right here, and I'm going to put that right here. And then here she is as Diana Prince. I'll put that right there. And then right here she is about to become Wonder Woman and do her little twirl. I think I may put that one up high. And then I think I'm going to put this with her arms crossed right here in the middle. And then here she is with her armband deflecting bullets. Okay, and then here she is deflecting some more bullets. And I might put this at the top right here because she wasn't through with her fight. And then right here is just Wonder Woman again. Go put that over to the side. And then her golden lasso. Alright, and then here she is standing after she's done some great job, and she's just surveying everything. I think I'll just stick it right here in the middle. And then here's a really nice picture of her with her cape. And I think I'll put it maybe right there. And then here she is with Lyle Wagner and as Diana Prince again. And then finally, here she is. A pleased Wonder Woman has successfully done everything she needed to do. I love this spread. This is turning out gorgeous. Okay, I'm just going to take, I think, this little marker and just put a few things down. I don't really have a lot of room to put a lot. I could get some little stickies and stick on here. But like I said, I usually look at my monthly spread at the beginning for a lot of my stuff. Okay, we'll put this back in my planner and take a look at it. But I absolutely, truly do love this spread. It turned out so nicely. I love the paper. It just looks just perfect for Wonder Woman. I love my stickers that I made, and I love this washi. I think it looks so expensive and just so nice. I really do like how this turned out. Now next week we'll be back to our classic movies, but I think this was a wonderful suggestion that they gave me, and I'm really pleased with it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.